seen the new Fidgets? OMG!
Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24.
Guys, I just got scammed for all of my fidgets. I'm gonna look around to see if I can find any fidgets. I'm gonna ride my skateboard around to see if I can find any free fidgets. It's a Shaggy Neato! This is great. Let's look around for some more. It's a pineapple tie-dye poppet. This is so cool. I'm gonna get a lot of trades for this stuff. Put it in my pile. Guys, look what I found in the stream. I'm getting such good stuff. I found 2 fidgets. It's a snake and a wacky track. I'm so happy I found these fidgets. Let's see if anyone will want to trade. Trading all this stuff.
Me.
Okay, what's your offer?
I'll add this unicorn dimple.
That is such a good dimple, but can you please offer?
I'll offer my dimple and my mochi.
That is such a good offer, but can you add like one more thing, please?
I'll add this flower poppet.
Oh my gosh, yes. Guys, is this the magical flower poppet? OMG. Let's go put this stuff away and work with this poppet. I'm just gonna set everything right here. Let's see if this actually works. Let me think. I'm so excited if this works. A simple dimple. No way, it worked! I'm gonna go help out some people that don't have any fidgets. Let's walk around to see if anyone has no fidgets. Guys, I found someone. What's your dream fidget?
A square poppet.
Okay, square poppet.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
No problem. Let's go find some more people. I'm trying to find someone. Guys, I found someone. Hello, what's your dream fidget?
A Neato.
Okay, guys, this was the exact same spot I found that free Neato. Did someone might have chanced take your Neato?
Yeah.
OMG, I think I took it. I'm so sorry. I thought it was free.
No, you're fine.
Let me get it for you. Blue Shaggy Neato. I'm so sorry for taking your Neato. Here you go.
Oh my god, thank you.
No problem. Okay, let's get some more fidgets. What the heck happened? Where did it go? Guys, I'm looking everywhere. My poppet's nowhere to be found. Guys, I found it. Where did it go? It keeps on disappearing.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me.
Get back here!